Greetings from Edu Aspirants, a YouTube channel to ace academics, competitions, entrance exams, as also for enrichment of knowledge. In the series of videos on India, let us see what we have for you in chapter 16, Food and Civil Supplies, second of the two videos. Post-harvest management of food grains. A quality standard for food grains. The quality control cells of the ministry at New Delhi and the field offices at Bengaluru, Bhopal, Bhubaneswar, Kolkata, Hyderabad, Lucknow, Pune, Guwahati, Chennai and Patna monitor the quality of food grains procured, stored and issued for distribution by FCI and state governments and their agencies. B. Indian Grain Storage Management and Research Institute IGMRI at Hapur. A question to remember. And its field stations at Ludhiana in Punjab, Hyderabad in Andhra Pradesh are engaged in the training and applied research and development R&D work related to grain storage management. C. Central Grain Analysis Laboratory CGAL located in New Delhi assists the department in monitoring the quality of food grains at the time of procurement, storage and distribution by the analyzing of samples collected by quality control officers. Export and import of food grains, export policy of rice and wheat. The government has allowed free export of non-basmati rice and wheat by private parties from privately held stocks. State trading enterprises, STEs, including National Cooperative Consumers Federation of India Limited, NCCF, and National Agricultural Cooperative Marketing Federation of India Limited, NAFED, are also permitted to export privately held stocks on non-basmati rice. Export of non-basmati rice and wheat is permitted through Custom Electronic Data Exchange (EDI) codes. Sugar production. India is the largest consumer and the second largest producer of sugar in the world. Both these, largest consumer, second largest producer, are good questions. Ethanol blending petrol program. Ethanol is agro-based, produced from a byproduct of the sugar industry, namely molasses. Another important point to remember, the ethanol blended petrol program EBP seeks blending of ethanol with motor spirit with a view to reducing pollution, conserve foreign exchange and increase value addition in the sugar industry to clear arrears of farmers. International Grains Council (IGC) is an intergovernmental forum of exporting and importing countries for cooperation in wheat and coarse grain matters. The IGC Secretariat, based in London, important for example, since 1949, also services the Food Aid Committee established under the Food Aid Convention. International Grains Agreement (IGA) has two types of members: importing members and exporting members. And India is an exporting member. Food processing industries. The subjects allocated to the ministry are industries relating to processing and refrigeration of certain agricultural products, milk powder, infant milk food, malted milk food, condensed milk, ghee and other dairy products, poultry and eggs, meat and meat products. 2. Processing of fish including canning and freezing. 3. Establishment and servicing of development council for fish industry. 4. Technical assistance and advice 2. Fish processing industry. 5. Fruit and vegetable processing industry, freezing and dehydration. And 6. Food grains and milling industry of food grains. B. Planning, development and control of and assistance to industries, bread, oilseeds, meals, edible, breakfast foods, biscuits, confectionery including cocoa, processing and chocolate making, malt extract, protein isolate, high protein food, weaning and extruded food products including other ready-to-eat foods, beer including non-alcoholic beer, D. Alcoholic drinks from non-molasses base, E. Specialized packaging for food processing industry, and aerated water and soft drink. Contribution of food processing sector. India ranks number 1 in the world in the production of milk, ghee, ginger, bananas, guavas, papayas and mangoes. Further, India ranks second in the world in the production of rice, wheat and several other vegetables and fruits. The ministry has launched a centrally sponsored National Mission on Food Processing (NMFP), Government of India's new central sector scheme. Kisan Sampada Yojana is a scheme implemented for agro-marine processing and development of agro-processing clusters. National Institute of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management (NIFTEM) at Kundli in Haryana. Important place to remember for this institution is a deemed university. It is running BTech, MTech and PhD courses and undertakes R&D projects in the area of food technology. Funds are provided to promote research activities, expand the village adoption program (VAP), and skill development in the food processing sector. Indian Institute of Food Processing Technology (IIFPT) at Thanjavur, Tamil Nadu. Another important question to remember for exams is running BTech, MTech, PhD courses and undertaking R&D projects in the area of food processing. The institute has expanded its activities in the northeast states including Sikkim by implementing food processing programs in the region. This brings us to the end of the second of the two videos on Ministry of Food and Civil Supplies. Keep revising. You will surely have questions from this video too in your forthcoming exams. Please subscribe, like, share and do press the bell icon for regular updates. Best of luck.